All right, welcome to the second video in this series about teaching online. In this video, we are going to look at using Webex for small group or individual meetings with students. So here you can see there are a lot of different types of Webex sessions. We're going to look at the personal room. We'll also look at training sessions in the third video in this series, but also just be aware that there are two other types of sessions that you may find effective, and the UNC Charlotte help page does a really nice job of explaining exactly the functionality of each type of meeting. So like I said, we'll look at personal room and training. Meetings can be used by students, so students can actually set up their own meeting spaces for group meetings or collaborations for projects. So I usually recommend that tool for my students if they have to prepare for an in-class presentation. Events I've never used. You may find it effective, but I don't find that it has any functionality that I really need, but that training actually provides everything I need as well as the personal room. But you can look at that more on your own. So here we'll look just at the personal room. Everyone, once you have a Webex account set up, which you should through the university, you will have a personal room. These are great for one-on-one or small group meetings. If you do any kind of advising or if you do office hours, I would highly recommend using the personal room. Anybody who has a copy of the link here can access that room when you're in it. So if you're not in it, then nobody should be able to join that space. So don't worry about students getting in there and talking with one another and you aren't there. This is a link that you can just share with your students. You can put it on your Canvas page wherever you have your office hours, or if you're setting up personal meetings with students, you can send them that link. I also love the scheduling feature of the personal room. The main reason I like the scheduling is because you can send emails directly to students, and it can be groups of students, not just individuals, with a specific time that you're planning to meet. And when students get the email, because UNCC uses Gmail, they also will get not only the link to the session, but also a calendar invite. So they can go ahead and add it to their calendar and hopefully not miss the meeting that you have set up. Once you are in the personal room, you do have access to video and audio, and your students or whomever you're meeting with will also have access to that audio and video. One last thing to know is that personal rooms, and the same goes for the training sessions that I'll review in just a moment, can be accessed by folks outside of UNCC. So if you need to schedule meetings with a colleague at another university, or if a student really needs to use their Gmail account for some reason, their personal account, you can definitely schedule meetings with them through their personal accounts as well.